Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add Instagram to Clubhouse. Before beginning, if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to add Instagram to Clubhouse, make sure first you've downloaded the Clubhouse application on your device, and once you have, tap it open and also make sure to sign into your account. Once you're signed into your Clubhouse account, from the home screen of Clubhouse, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. From this profile page, go and tap on Add Instagram, and soon after you do that, on a web browser, you'll be taken to the Instagram login area. Log into your Instagram account if necessary by typing in your credentials. You can type in your phone number, username, or your email address in the first text box. Once you do that, head over to the password text box and type in your password for your account and tap Login. Save your login info by tapping on Save Info so that you won't have to type in your information again. If you don't want to do that, tap Not Now, and on the next page, allow Clubhouse to receive the following information, that is your profile information, by tapping on Allow. Now soon after you do that, you'll be connected to Instagram successfully on Clubhouse. It is that simple to connect to Instagram with Clubhouse. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you'd like to leave any kind of a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial video contents like this. Again, thank you for watching.